Mike Innovative Door, Clopay T52S 8x21 inch bottom rubber, intermediate, bottom, intermediate, sections only. Okay, brand spanking, lubed, oiled, real #1 hinge. These are the ones that came with the door, and we replaced 2 bottom sections. You can see the siding here, so you can imagine what the panels look like. But what matters now is what they look like now, brand new. So Innovative Door for section replacement. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. We do sections only to save you coin in your pocket. Call today and I'll come out and give you a free estimate, and we'll hook you up and save you some dough. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.